Okay, yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this detailed guide on how to assemble a manual sewing machine stand and the sewing machine head. Whether you are reassembling an old one or setting up a new machine, in this step-by-step way, I will ensure that your sewing machine is properly set up for ideal performance. Not only that, you will also get to know some of the names of the sewing machine parts. So, without wasting time, ladies and gentlemen, I dedicate this video to Mr. Obin, all the way from this land. I remember I was with you, you requested me to make a video on how to assemble this machine to benefit those who have no idea on how to assemble this machine. So here is your request. Without wasting time still, ladies and gentlemen, let us get started. Okay, here is a sewing machine head kit. This one is the sewing machine stand kit with the components. This one is the table. Okay, first we will begin by assembling the sewing machine stand. Step 1. First, unpack and organize parts of the sewing machine stand. As you can see, this is the treadle, and this is a packet of fasteners. This one is the flywheel. These are stand legs and crossbars. As you can see, I'm trying to separate the crossbar from the stand leg. Then this one is the push rod. You'll get to know it is work. Just watch this video up to the end. Make sure that you unbox all the parts of the stand and lay them out on a flat surface. Make sure that you verify if you have all the components according to the parts listed in the instruction manual. Don't forget to check for any damage or missing part. In case you find any, please don't hesitate to contact your supplier if you have a missing part or any damage. As you can see, I have all my parts. I now go ahead and work on my sewing stand. I go ahead and attach rubber feet or pads to the bottom of each leg to prevent sliding, and also it helps protecting the floor. Wow, as you can see, all my stand legs have already finished installing the rubber feet. Next is to attach the flywheel to the stand legs. Locate the flywheel on the side of the sewing machine stand. Possibly it should be on your right hand side. Align the flywheel with its shaft and slide it onto the shaft. Secure the flywheel with the provided nut or screw, ensuring it moves smoothly without any trembling. Next, identify the stand legs, typically 2 front sides to the front and 2 back sides to the back. Then, attach the legs to the crossbar. Start by aligning the holes in the legs with the holes in the crossbar.
The farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child, hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
As you can see, we have already attached our crossbars to the cross leg and the swing stand is already taking shape. Next is to attach the tree-door to the tree-door pivot.
The farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
As you can see, we have finished attaching the tree-door to the tree-door pivot. Step 5 is to attach the push rod to the tree-door and the flywheel.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy.
Wow! Already our machine has taken shape and the flywheel and the tree-door plus the push rods are working together. As you've seen, it is now moving.
The nurse takes the cow takes the dog.
Next step is to install the table.
The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse.
Once I'm done with installing the table, next is to attach the stand to the machine head mount.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse.
First, unpack the machine and see what is inside.
The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese.
Here I have this set of things.
The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
Ladies and gentlemen, in case you are enjoying this video tutorial, please don't forget to support this video by sharing, liking, and also subscribing to this channel. That's the only parental support I need from you to help this channel grow. Let us continue.
Dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Okay, here I have electricity power stepper for mini motor for single machines, used for household or domestic purposes in case you have electricity. But remember, this swing machine head can be operated manually or you can connect it to electricity. Now, we need to prepare our swing head to be installed to the swing stand. So, install the head to the stand table. Okay, now go ahead and align the mounting strut on the stand with the corresponding holes on the swing machine head like this. Make sure that you insert the mounting bolts through the holes and hand tighten them if it is needed. But as for this machine, I'm just fixing it and that's all. Now, it is time to reposition the mounted swing machine proportionally to your comfortable angle of work or in the direction of power supply. Since we are going to be connecting it to electricity,
The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell.
Then plug in the machine.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
And turn it on.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o.
Wonderful. Our machine has already been connected and see how it has already taken its shape.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child.
Now, let us test the machine by sewing on a scrap piece of fabric.
The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho.
Wonderful. Yes, that is it. Yes, that is it. It is as easy as that, ladies and gentlemen. Now, as you can see, it is as simple as that. These steps, you can go ahead and connect the needle, you connect everything, and don't forget to oil or to lubricate the areas that need or to be lubricated. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, our machine is almost ready. Please, what can I say? Let me say congratulations. You have successfully assembled your manual swing machine stand and the swing head. Also, ladies and gentlemen, the regular maintenance is by applying a few drops of swing machine oil to the moving parts, including the hand wheel, a flywheel, and the needle bar as well. As you all know, the proper usage will keep your machine in good working conditions for years and years to come. What do I have to say last is that's the end of our tutorial. Please, I wish you a happy drafting. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Shalom. I sign out.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Already we've done with the connections, adjustments, meaning. The last thing is if you're going to use manual made, this one you're going to use this one. You get the rope. It is unfortunate that we don't have the rope. You pass it here and then you dismantle this one. You now dismantle the motor. You dismantle the motor, then you replace it with the thing. So I think this is all what we have. And in case you want to, so I think this is a complete installation of our machine. So cover run all of it, back behind. All of it.